Hey, Dane here, and I walk my vlog, and this is Transporter with DoorDash. I'm now actually working in my hometown area. One place that I'm working at today is 9 miles from my house, which is fantastic. I ran around the perimeter of the town to see exactly where I'd be out of my receiving signal. That gives me an idea of where I need to be when I go to the next county. This situation that I have right now is 20 miles to my right, 20 miles to my left, and then 9 miles straight ahead are the areas that I'm now able to DoorDash. For you local subscribers, that's Bath, Hornell, and Dansville. They're all right in this general area. I normally go to Dansville once or twice a week anyway. So now that it's there, what I do is, if I got to go to Dansville, I'll set myself up for 3 hours, because it usually takes me an hour to get whatever I need while I'm in Dansville. And then the other 2 hours, I'll set myself up for DoorDash. This DoorDash opened in this area a week ago, so it's new to the area. They're also giving an extra $5 bonus for every delivery you get. Normally right now it's $2.25 a delivery. The other nice thing about it is it's given us about a six mile radius around the area, and my average delivery right now is about 2.5 miles. So that's adding up in the gas, paying for the gas, which is now $3.59 a gallon. We're only right now in my towns, Geneseo, they're doing Wendy's, and they're also doing McDonald's. Those are the only two. So I'll come in and I'll park in one of the parking lots. Wendy's and McDonald's are right next to each other. In Dansville, they're only doing McDonald's. So I just come here and sit in the parking lot. I run around town and do my shopping, waiting for a delivery. So it's making it really nice. I have to drive to Rochester during the week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, to work at my part-time job. Was making the DoorDash an opportunity in that aspect is I got to go right through Geneseo. So what I'm doing is when I have to work during the day in Rochester, on the way home after work, I'll set myself up for 2 hours in Geneseo to deliver. So if nothing else, you're looking at, well, you're only making between $7 and $10 a delivery. And right now it's probably one maybe 2 deliveries in an hour, because it's new. It's getting going. So and of course, once it gets to a certain point,